Okay, so this is the second in our videos of how to fix some initial setup problems on these Android head units for the Range Rover L405. So we fitted this head unit, and the problem we've got is you've got various displays here, and if you go onto this car logo here, it should take you to the original display that your original Range Rover head unit
you should be used to seeing.
Now you'll look at that and you hold on a minute, it's all off over to the side. So there's a setup, and you can change that, and we're going to show you how to change that now. So if you've got a wonky display and it's all off to the side, we're going to show you how to do that. So if we go, let's go this way, and if you go into this settings button here, settings, and if you scroll up, and it's the version, this is the version, and then if you go factory set, this is like factory settings, okay? So if you go into here, and then you've got to enter a PIN number, which I'm not going to tell you just because I don't want you to mash up your own system. Okay, but write to whoever sold you the head unit and ask them for the factory PIN number. And then what you can do is you can go into this host video source. So the host video means your original car system that sort of this overlays on top of. So if we go to it, we've got a choice of Land Rover 1, 2 or 3. Now, don't ask me which one is the correct one for whichever car, but if it looks wrong, get the PIN number and change it to another one and see if it works. I think it's a trial and error thing, unfortunately. Right, so you can either go back or hit home, or go back a bit and hit home. Right, now let's go on to the car button here, which should give us the original, what they're calling host display. Bingo, look at that. So we're all straight and in the middle now. So there you go, that's the video of how to re-centralize the host display on an Android head unit.